It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
So guys, this is a unit that I'm reviewing today, and it's this unit from Jeanette collection. It is part of their Melt collection, and it has natural density. It is 13 by 6 frontal part. It has the adjustable elastic band. It is heat safe up to 660 degrees, and I have in the style Nura, and I have in the color 1B. And here it shows you all the details about it. It gives you the difference between the Melt collection or the Melt hairline and a regular hairline. And back here it has all the different colors. And y'all, so online, if you do a Google search, this wig can run you up to $38, $39 to $50. It depends on which vendor you get it from. But guys, this unit, it is my favorite unit so far, and I just got back to recording videos because I was on a little vacation and life got hectic. But I'm gonna try to be consistent. I need you to hold me accountable. If I'm not posting, if I don't post a week, text me or hit me up on Instagram and be like, hey, what's up? I need an accountability partner. But anyways, this unit, I love it. She is chef kiss. Like the hairline, she was very easy to melt, and she is snug. After I did the adjustable strap, everything band, she was snug. I didn't even have to glue it down, but I was being extra, so I was like, let's go ahead and glue it down. But this hairline, it is awesome. You can do more. You can pluck it more if you like. I didn't want to. And it comes with some long baby hair, like long baby hair. I didn't use them. You can use them. Yeah, minimal shedding, minimal tangling. Like one thing I would say though, I don't know, the tracks in the back, it's a little, I don't know, it's standing up a little, it's standing up for my liking. But other than that, I am here for it. And it has some baby hair in the back, I guess, so you can put it in a ponytail if you want. Like some baby hair back there. They're long. We're not even gonna call those baby hair. But yeah, this unit is freaking amazing. And with it being 13x6, you can part it any way you want. I just like a middle part, cause but if I wanted to, I could do a side part. Ooh. Yeah, I could have done a side part if I wanted to. You know, you got options. I just like a middle part. I'm a middle part person, as you all know, or you may not know. But yes, I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she's looking like all around. But yeah, I'm here for it. She is pretty long. She's stopping me right to my belly button. But I got nothing to say. Let me know what you think about this unit. Let's talk about it in the comment section. And make sure you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Love Your Crowns. And make sure you have your bell notification on so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.